Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC development over the past weeks. In this release, UST transport on the leading radio channel of the United Arab Emirates. Interview with Alexey Sukhodoev in the newspaper Stroitelnaya Gazeta. Cancellation of installments for overdue payments resumes from 12 March. Let us not waste time and get straight to the first event. The prospects of string transport were discussed on air on Dubai AY, one of the leading radio stations in the United Arab Emirates. The guest on the program was Oleg Zaretsky, CEO of Uscovery. He walked through the UST technology and its potential for Dubai. Alexey Sukhodoev told the readers of Stroitelnaya Gazeta about UST transport. In the interview, the co-founder of SWC social venture ecosystem shared his opinion on the present state of the global transport system and its prospects. An important announcement for clients with installment payments. Last year, SWC team temporarily suspended the automatic cancellation of installments in case of delay in payment. From 12 March 2025, this system will be back on. This means that if the client misses an installment payment, their contract can be terminated automatically. All the details are published in the news section on the official website. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you next time.